Welcome back to The Blend. We get good news on the job front. Las Vegas-based market research firm Precision Opinion is hosting a job fair today at its headquarters, and they're looking for a lot of people. Here to show you how you can score a job is Jim Medic. He is the president of Precision Opinion. Welcome in, sir. How are you?
I appreciate having me here this morning. Thank you.
For those who don't know what Precision Opinion is, let's talk about it for those who aren't familiar.
We are a market research firm, and we do public opinion polling. So we work for a combination of major Fortune 500 companies, the U.S. government, the Centers for Disease Control, the FDA, and we collect opinions for the public that's used for everything from what pizza do you need to do to what, where do we send vaccinations from the CDC.
No kidding. So so whenever we see those poll numbers, a lot of them may be coming from you.
A lot of the political polls you see come out of my office. That's correct.
That's pretty exciting. Yes. Man, you can end careers, or they can. The people can, really.
Yeah.
So you guys are obviously well established, have a vested interest in Las Vegas, and this is a great opportunity for people to get back to work here.
There's nothing better. I mean, the main purpose of having a company is to have employees, to provide jobs, and Vegas has been incredibly good to me. We moved a company here in 1996 from Princeton, New Jersey. So to be able to come forward and have jobs is great. So we picked up some brand new contracts, and we need 150 people.
No kidding.
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot of jobs. Now, we're talking, these aren't just temporary, these are permanent, full-time and part-time jobs.
These are permanent, full-time jobs that we have in the Valley. Yes,
that's fantastic. So when is this job fair taking place?
It's going to actually take place today. It starts at 10 a.m., and we're going to go till the last person is interviewed. So if you're looking for a job, now's the time. Come on down. We're going to be interviewed, and we'll be hiring on the spot.
Try to get there by like 2 or 3. Make sure that you don't shut down.
Get in line and get there, get the applications filled out, and then get interviewed right away.
What should they be bringing with them? Resume? Are there any qualifications they need?
The best qualifications is a personality and a good phone voice. That's the key to the whole thing, because you have to capture somebody on the phone, engage them right away, make sure they know that you're not selling them anything. You're conducting an honest public opinion poll that's important to their lives.
No question. Sometimes when you hear that call, and if it's just a monotone situation, but if you have a lively personality, that might be enough to keep them on the phone to actually do.
That's the entire thing, Sean. Get them engaged, get them on the phone, and get the survey, and let them know that it's important that they give the information that we're asking for.
That's excellent. I mean, so how many people are working for you currently?
Right now, 571 employees are now at the company.
No kidding. And a lot of that growth has happened here in Las Vegas.
It's all in Las Vegas. We started here in 1996 with 3 people.
You started in Vegas? Oh, that's phenomenal.
Yeah. So we had 3 people here, and now 571, and we're getting ready to add another 150.
And these are where is your office location?
It's very conveniently located. It's on Convention Center Drive, which is between the Strip and Paradise. If you're familiar with where the Stardust used to be, Riviera, the Encore, right there on the other side of the road is actually the Convention Center.
Right down the street from Piero's, really.
That's exactly right. No Piero's, you know where we are. That's
absolutely
correct. Yes.
It's fantastic. So if people want to be able to check it out, it's centrally located to the rest of the valley.
Yes. Easy bus transportation, very easy to get to.
If we wanted to learn more about your company, how do we do so?
There's a great website, precisionopinion.com. Just go there, has all the explanations about the company, what we do, shows some of the clients, shows some of the research that we do, and we have a job hotline. It's 483-4098.
Did you have a poll that found that people needed more jobs in Vegas, and this is why you're doing this? I'm just saying. I mean, it could have been that.
Look, the number one thing across the whole world is the economy. People need work. I mean, that's as plain and simple as that. And it's great that we can provide jobs.
And it's nice that it's not temporary, it's not seasonal. These are real, today jobs.
Yeah, and the other beauty of it, don't need experience. We will train you. You get paid training. It's a 3-day class we put you through at our dime, and our job is to make you the best telephone interviewer there is.
Positive, what's the word? Positive attitude and temperament. That's all you need.
That's all you need.
All right. It's a pleasure. Jim, thank you so much.
No, thank you, Sean.
Best of luck finding those 150. 150?
150.
150 people. Wow. Precision Opinion, looking to fill some jobs. Candidates can apply in person. They got to be prepared for some on-site interviews. Bring your best personality. No prior experience is necessary, and the company will train all new employees. To attend the job fair and for more information, call the number on your screen or visit precisionopinion.com. Dow?
Thank you.